Kevin Robinson, who has your evening forecast for us tonight. Hi there.
Hey, I will say this. It's looking a lot drier this evening, but right now I do have one severe thunderstorm warning I want to get to. This is for Bracken County. This is the exception versus the norm this evening. Don't worry about a lot of severe weather around here. Again, it's actually going to be much quieter than it's been throughout the day. But there's that warning. You see the yellow polygon there highlighting the threat around the Maysville community right now. The greatest threat from this storm will come from locally gusty winds. We could see a few wind gusts topping 50 miles an hour, maybe getting close to 60 coming up on those of you there in the Maysville area. The other threat would be obviously torrential downpours and dangerous cloud to ground lightning strikes. So if you're right along 52 in the city of Maysville, be on the lookout for some strong winds. Those are just about upon you right now. This may move over towards Ellsbury, for example, as well, and then maybe into the extreme southern tip here of Brown County and into extreme southwestern parts of Adams County near the Ohio River. So that's the only severe thunderstorm activity around. Everyone else is pretty quiet. Here's that band of rain that came through earlier this afternoon that made for the skies really dark around the metro. Other than that storm in Bracken County, it's pretty much quiet across the area now. So over the next couple of hours, expect a lull in any rainfall. Steamy sunshine. It is going to remain incredibly uncomfortable out with those dew points up there in the upper 70s. As sun comes out, it's nasty out. Expect a few pop-up downpours too. The flood watch, we're going to keep it going through the evening hours just in case we get any more of those slow-moving downpours. Many of us around the metro this morning picked up a quick 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, so it will only take one of those storms to sit and rain over any one location to produce some localized areas of flooding. So that's the reason why we'll keep the watch going through the evening. Otherwise, we're back downtown here. It is a steamy Thursday evening. Right now at the airport, we're holding at 81 degrees. Look at our dew point. 74. It was as high as 78. A matter of fact, at lunchtime today, it was more humid here than in cities like Miami, Houston, and New Orleans, just to kind of give you a gauge on how uncomfortable it was. Temperatures rain-cooled 70s to the east of Cincinnati. That's due to the showers and storms where the sun has popped back out. You're into the 80s to around 90. Check it out there. Verona, Sparta, Owington, up towards Walton. That's why I say we have to keep the threat for a few more pop-up storms in the forecast through the evening. Not to mention, the cold front is still to the west of Indianapolis, and notice new storms firing over here in central Indiana. However, as they move into southeast Indiana, they're probably going to weaken some. But there may be one or two that manage to roam their way back into the tri-state, so we'll keep the threat for a pop-up downpour through the evening. This cold front, though, is going to press towards the Ohio River and come through early tomorrow and basically shove the threat for showers and storms tomorrow, mainly south and east of Cincinnati. So here's a look at Futurecast. Let's walk you through the evening. Notice some of those downpours try to make it towards the Indiana-Ohio state line, but they start to fall apart. So I'm going to at least keep the threat for rain in there through midnight. I don't expect a lot more rain, to be quite honest with you. And then tomorrow we'll start relatively quiet, but through the first half of the day there will be the threat for a pop-up shower or storm, mainly south and east of Interstate 71. Because by tomorrow evening, if you're making plans, it's going to be pretty nice for your Friday night. We're going to get rid of the rain chances tomorrow night. You don't have to worry about any rain. And we've got ourselves a nice looking weekend coming our way with a nice break from the humidity and storms. So some early rain tonight as we fall to a low of 71. It's going to remain very muggy tonight. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy. Best threat for a storm to the south, 85 for a high. Here's your day planner. Starting out still steamy in the morning at 73, and it will remain muggy through the day tomorrow. We won't begin to feel that more comfortable air until tomorrow night. That's when we drop down to 65. And look at that nice looking weekend for a sunshine Saturday and Sunday. Can't complain about this, Mike and Cherie. It's the middle of July. Highs 80 to 85. No humidity. Nighttime temperatures comfortably in the 60s.
All right, we first started to tell you about this last night. A data